Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Linux based OS in your Android. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. This video is only for education purpose. I'm not going to promote any risky things. In this video, I'm going to show how you can run Linux based OS. This OS name is anonymous OS. So I'm not going to take this OS name again and again because YouTube can down this video, and I'm not going to mention this OS name in the title or in the description. Only in thumbnail I'm going to mention this OS name. So in this video I'm going to run this OS in Android using Limbo PC emulator. This OS is very risky, so you have to run this OS at your own risk. This OS is very high profile OS. So first of all, you have to download the Limbo PC emulator. Download it in the description. And second thing, you have to download the OS. The downloading in the description. Now you have to open the Limbo PC emulator. So I'm using 5.1.0 version of the Limbo PC emulator, and I'm going to just click to none. You have to click to new, and I'm going to create machine name. I'm giving this machine name Linux only because this OS is based on Linux. So I'm going to open the CPU board. Now here CPU model I am going to select QEMU32. CPU codes 4. RAM will depend on smartphone specifications, but I am going to select about maximum RAM 2000 MB of RAM, and I am going to enable MTTCG, and I am going to uncheck the disable TSC. So you have to do these settings in the CPU board. A lot of people getting problem when enabling MTTCG option. You have to use 5.1.0 version of the Limbo PC emulator to enable this. So we have done all the settings in the CPU board. Now you have to get into the removable. You have to click on the CD-ROM. You have to click on none. Click to open. Now you have to select the OS. Now I'm going to select the OS. I have selected the OS. Now you have to select the boot from CD-ROM. And network, I'm not going to select network, but network is working. For this video I'm not going to select because I don't want to connect this OS with the internet, because this OS is very risky. With using this OS you can do a lot of things, like accessing dark web or hacking anything. This OS is very risky. You have to run this OS at your own risk, and you can maybe get jailed, or you can get hacked by the cyber, or a lot of things can happen. So you can run this OS at your own risk, or for only education purpose. Now you have to get into the advanced. You have to get in the high priority. So we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC emulator. So before starting OS, let me just turn on the screen rotation, turn the Android phone, set up the camera, and come back in. Before starting the booting OS, let me just clear you. This OS is illegal in many countries, so make sure if this OS is illegal in your country, I don't recommend you to run this OS. And if I get any problem in the future, I'm going to delete this video or going to remove the OS. So if you doing anything, do at your own risk, or I don't recommend you to do that. So I've done all the settings, and I'm going to just click to play button. So as you can see in the screen, the OS has been started booting up here. So here it will asking to install or run live. Boot the live system. You have to just click on enter on the first option, live. So we are going to just run the OS, not going to install in the hard disk. So this OS is basically based on Linux. As you can see in the screen, the OS is successfully booted and it will asking me to get into the login of this OS. So it will asking the password, so we don't have password, so we are getting into the guest session. As you can see, there is a button over there, guest session. I am going to click on that. We don't have password, that's why we are getting in the guest session. The good thing of this OS is it provided the guest session without a password. We can get a login into this OS, so we can get check the OS, the features of this OS. So as you can see, just now we just click on the guest session button and it will logging into the guest session. So as you can see in the screen, after getting into the guest session, as you can see, this is the desktop of this OS, and as you can see, this is the desktop. So there are applications in the start button. So this is the accessories, some preloaded games, graphics, internet. In internet, it's have preloaded Firefox browser and many other things, servers. Office, it's have preloaded LibreOffice, others, sounds. So this is the Linux OS, and this is the computer. So as you can see, this is the secret OS perfectly running in Android with using Limbo PC Emulator, and you can do a lot of things with this OS. But I don't recommend you to do anything, because we log in the guest session. If you log in that real OS, you can do a lot of things like accessing dark web, hacking anything, or you may can get hacked, your device can hacked. So I don't recommend you to go get into the main session and don't use this OS much. So this video is only for education purpose. You can just see, run this OS and see about this OS, and do some basic things of this OS. So as you can see, this is the secret Linux OS has been successfully run in Android and running in Android. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.